What's up, my YT homies? This is Salifia coming in at you with another video. And in this video, I'm a bit late for the party. Not because I'm like late getting my things, but I've just been lazy. Let me just be honest. Well, not necessarily lazy. Some days I just don't feel like turning on the camera, but at any rate, or when I decide to turn on the camera, it's a little bit late and all that good jazz. Anyway, y'all know I can ramble. So let me just show y'all the few things that I did get in the Sephora summer VIB sale. Yes, they have started a summer VIB sale, and I'm on board with everybody else whose videos I've seen. I think they're trying to keep up with Ulta and Ulta's sales and trying to have more sales. And the good thing, I guess, about that is the fact that Sephora sells some things that Ulta doesn't sell, and Ulta sells things that Sephora doesn't sell. Why does it look like this camera is crooked? Okay, I feel better about my life now. I feel better about my entire life. So with that being said, let me just show y'all the few things that I did get in this haul. So of course, you know, we get these samples, and one of my samples is the Sephora Lippies, and I got the sample of the Tatcha Silk Primer. So the first thing, and I had this in my cart saved, and you know how you go into a cart and you get ready to shop with some companies, you go back, your cart is empty. I put this in my cart way before Sephora started the sale, just because I saw a review on it and I wanted to get it, and they didn't erase it. But it's called the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toner Solution, pH 3.6. So this is a toner that is supposed to be pH balanced for the face, and of course I have not opened it. I'm just not opening it, but it's called the Ordinary, and then it has this little top right here, so you can put the top on and kind of squirt it on your cotton swab. For my toner, I always use, and I think I know I've shown this years ago, but I used the Witch Hazel. So I'm interested, I am looking forward to seeing how this fares on my face and how it helps with toning down or keeping down my oils. And why did I just try to put this top on here when this top is on here? So let me see what this stuff smells like though. Doesn't really have a smell, or these sinuses are really causing me issues with smelling, because I've been having some, oh my god, issues with my sinuses. You know, my sinus issues have been making me feel like I either had a nose job, which I never have, or like I've been fooling with some drugs, which I never have. But it's getting on my nerves. So the next thing that I have is this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Now this Glam Glow but Gentle Bubble Cleanser, when I tell you this is the stuff, this is the ish. I got the first one I have, which is what I'm using now, in a BoxyCharm box. And when I tell you, if they had not sent me anything else in that box, just sending me this right here was the best thing they could have done. Y'all know, and I'm gonna have to do a get ready with me so that you can see that my face has cleared up, my skin has cleared up, the breakouts, you don't see any puffiness, any like what do you call them, with acne. You don't see any acne in my face right now, because my acne had gotten out of hand. It was ridiculous, and I was ready to call the law. And I owe it to this right here, this product right here. Now I will say, because it is a deep cleansing solution, that if you have dry skin, I do believe it would make your skin drier. But because I have oily combination skin, this stuff works perfectly. Next thing I got from this little sale is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. Now when I ordered the Jackie Aina palette, which let me just tell y'all, that is what I have on my eyes today. I know nobody asked, and nobody probably will ask, but when I tell y'all, this bad baby, I have used it non-stop since I opened it. I tell you no lie, non-stop. But anyway, I didn't get the liquid liner, so I decided to get the liquid liner at the sale. And yeah, so I had the liquid liner. And the last thing that I have from the sale is this Laneige. I guess it's Laneige. It's the
Sleeping Care Lip Sleep. It's the Sleeping Care Lip Sleep.
It's the Sleeping Care Lip Sleeping Mask. That was like a tongue twister for me. But anyway, this mask, and I've seen it on several people's channels, and I purchased this, and I haven't used it, so I will definitely use it tonight. This is what the little container looks like, and it has a little spatula in here. So on the spatula, and then put it on your lips so that you won't have to dig inside of the container. And this is what it looks like. It's like a light pink or pale looking color. And the reason why I purchased this is because, well, I'm increasing my water, but lately I've just been feeling really dehydrated and my lips have been dry, and I cannot stand to have dry lips. Dry lips bother me. They really do. They bother me. So I bought that to help with the moisture on my lips. And so yeah, that is it. I only got those 4 things. Now I am looking forward to the Ulta 21 days sale, which started I think yesterday. I think it started yesterday, but I'm looking forward to that because there are 2 things I want to get from that, and one of them being this right here, the Derma Blend banana powder. Now I don't know whether you recall, but fresh your memory for those of you that have watched my videos and have seen all my videos. When I first tried this, I got this at the last Ulta 21 days event, and when I first tried it, I said that I did not like it. I think I did a get ready with me and I showed it. Baby, this has taken a place of my Laura Mercier. I still have some of my Laura Mercier in here, and I do have a backup Laura Mercier, I believe, and I'm gonna use it. But this right here, yes, this Derma Blend banana powder, this is bae right now. This is bae. I'm sorry, Laura. I'm sorry. We've broken up for right now. Maybe we'll get back together one day, but not right now. So anyway, that is it for this video. I just wanted to kind of show my little drop in the bucket from the sale. So if you did get anything from the sale, please do let me know. And if you think these sales right here are gimmicky and they're just taking our money, I agree. I agree. And if you're one of those that are like, y'all don't need to get all that stuff every time they have a sale, I don't. But as, was it Donna Summer that said she works hard for her money? I work hard for my money, and I'm going to spend it how and when I want. Whether they have 4 sales, 5 sales, or whatever, I'm going to spend it. Oh, and another thing, I've been Sephora VIB for a good little minute where you get the 15% off, but a little bit more, which I'll get that little bit during the next Sephora sale. I'll be VIB Rouge. Yes, and I'm gonna make it just to see how it is to be VIB Rouge and to catch the sales at 20% to get my items before they're sold out, because all the other Rouge people are buying them before we can get to the 15% with the VIB. Yeah, I'm hating, but I'm gonna be in that group next time. So with that being said, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. I can't talk. And until the next time, and in between time, you ladies be safe, and I will do what? Catch you in the next video. Look how this shirt just did. Look, I just noticed. I don't even know how long that shirt was messed up. But guess what? I'm not recording this over.